Supercharged V8. 3 rows. 1 wild family hauler. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat is back, louder and quicker than ever, and it still doesn't care about fitting in. You're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today, we're checking out why this unapologetic muscle SUV continues to dominate the road and steal your groceries in record time. Design. The 2026 Durango Hellcat still flexes that aggressive, wide-shouldered stance. You've got a vented hood, beefy front fascia, LED lighting, and signature Hellcat badging, just in case anyone forgets what's lurking underneath. The overall design feels more refined for 2026, but make no mistake, this SUV still looks mean. Inside, premium suede and leather, sport bucket seats, and red accents remind you this ain't your average family ride. The build quality is solid across the board, muscle meets maturity. Performance. Under the hood? The unchanged but absolutely iconic 6.2L supercharged HEMI V8, pushing 710 horsepower and 645 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60 in just about 3.5 seconds, from an SUV. Paired with an 8-speed automatic and AWD, the Durango puts the power down cleanly, with launch control that will make you laugh like a supervillain. Sure, fuel economy is the suggestion, but that grin after flooring it? Priceless. Features and technology. You get a 10.1-inch touchscreen running Uconnect 5, wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto, Harman Kardon Audio, and performance pages for real-time stats. Driver aids like adaptive cruise and lane assist are standard, but they never get in the way of the fun. You even get selectable drive modes, from street to insane track mode. Conclusion. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat is part muscle car, part SUV, and pure chaos, in the best way possible. It's not practical, but it is unforgettable. Would you dare daily this beast? Drop your answer in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews, where horsepower meets real-world tests every week.